What is artificially intelligence in manufacturing? Friends, AI automating factory operations and quality controls. How does AI improve manufacturing? Friends, AI predicts maintenance and reduces production errors. Where is AI manufacturing used? AI manufacturing can be used at multiple things like factories, assembly lines, and industrial systems. Why is AI important in manufacturing? It reduces productivity and reduces it increases productivity and reduces waste. What is a real example of manufacturing artificial intelligence? AI detecting machine failure before breakdowns. How does how can industries use manufacturing artificial intelligence daily? Monitor production and automate quality checks. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video.